Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we show you step by step how to transfer money from Bank of Ireland. So first step, log in your account, access with your own information such ID and password. After that, go to your app, download this app and then click on this option icon payments. When you click on payments, you will see account details, add your recipient such your IBAN, your first name and middle name, choose a country here, and then choose the amount you want to transfer. For example, you want to transfer to Wise, choose your IBAN of your Wise, choose your IBAN details. For example, this is your IBAN, copy this one, and then click copy and paste here, as you can see here, and then complete your transaction details. Just open your app, click send money, and then write your details here. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video.